If you're staying in Birmingham, you have to check out this hotel. The city offers many attractions to its tourists and is one of the most up-and-coming cities in the entire state of Alabama. It includes the Botanical Gardens, the Vulcan statue and State Park, which has become kind of an icon for the entire city, and a nightlife that a lot of people will find very ideal. Today I'll be talking about the Marriott Birmingham in Alabama that I got for free. And of course, if any of this looks good to you, please use the referral link down below for free travel, free reward nights, anything. Really help out the channel. Thanks. I got this night at the Marriott Birmingham, Alabama by using 15,000 Marriott points. Now you see here it's off peak at 15,000. Unfortunately, all they had for point redemptions were just standard king and queen rooms. So I just booked a king room. No suites really at this property, unfortunately, unlike many Marriott properties. However, this property did include an M Lounge. Now, an M Club Lounge is what's available to Platinum, Titanium, and Ambassador status members. This one was pretty spacious. The food was pretty good. They had an appetizer hour between 5 and 7, and then a dessert hour between 8 and 10. Unfortunately, that's what I got. I got the chips, salsa, hummus, and a drink. It was good. It was just that the attendant let the flies get on the food, which I thought was kind of trashy. So overall, a decent M Lounge, not the best one I've been to. Here's a little tour of the room. It's a king standard room. We have a 50-inch LCD TV on the wall there. A nice desk with some artwork showing Birmingham, which is nice. I always like hotel rooms that have a little decor showing you, reminding you where you're at, which is nice. Nice little lamp there. The view wasn't really that great. It was of the parking lot because this isn't really located in downtown Birmingham, a little bit on the outskirts, I believe southeast. There's a desk there, nice little study desk. Here's the bed. Pretty comfortable bed, a little lumpy. I definitely like the modern-esque lamps on each side that you could turn on and off. And they have something that I always need is a USB port. Now, some of these Marriott hotels, especially the older ones, don't have that USB port and just an AC port, which I don't really care for because not everybody has an AC adapter. Here's a view of that. That's the view from the room. Not really much, and there was only, I think, like 6% occupancy when I was there, which made me feel bad about going into the lounge because I was the only one in the M Lounge at the time, and they had a person hired there just to look over the food, even though there was just me. There's another picture. There's a picture of the Vulcan statue that I mentioned earlier in the video. We have a little cabinet for the fridge and a little lock safe up top. Not a Keurig, but a coffee maker with some supplements. There's a ice bucket with some glasses. There's the closet that I didn't really use. And here's the ironing board, I think. Yeah, there's an iron with an ironing board, very conveniently located. They use every single square foot of this room. Here's the bathroom. Nice vanity, marble-esque top there. Toilet and a shower. So no jacuzzi or tub or anything, but the shower was relatively nice. Good pressure and hot water. So what else do you need? And of course at a lot of properties now, especially mid to lower range properties, they have the attached shampoo, conditioner, and body wash on the wall. So not a bad room, not the biggest room, but gets the job done. Definitely decent, I'd say. So would I recommend this hotel? I would for somebody that needs a place to stay that doesn't want to stay directly downtown Birmingham, because this is 15 to 20 minutes away from downtown Birmingham. It has a decent M Lounge. I've been to better M Lounges, but I've been to worse. You do get free parking, which is a huge perk. The rooms are nice and clean, although they don't really have that many suites or suites at all. But overall, a very good stay in Birmingham. Check it out.